Hi, I'm Arlene Gomez. I am a beauty, makeup, and a keto vlogger. Do subscribe to my channel for lots more. So this summer, I went on holiday after almost 4 years of moving to Dubai, and this was our first family vacation with my 1-year-old and my husband. So we spent 3 weeks out of the country, 2 weeks in India, 1 week in Thailand, so 2 weeks in Bangalore, India, and 1 week in Phuket, Thailand. I knew I was not going to stick to keto, and so I was preparing myself for a cheat month. And with all the excitement, a week before the holiday itself, I started to cheat. I was having rice and all those non-keto cheaty foods. So yes, after 4 weeks of cheating, of the holidaying with all the dosas and the biryanis in Bangalore and all the pad thais and the rice and the noodles and the ice cream and everything possible in Thailand, I put on a total of 5.1 kgs. Yes, you heard me, 5.1 kgs in 4 weeks. I was actually expecting a higher number because honestly I just overdid the eating. I was not just eating non-carby food, I was just overeating. So anyways, I had a game plan. So normally when I cheat, I do an egg fast, maybe for 3 to 5 days. And I've actually vlogged the entire thing and posted a video on my channel, and you can find it right here. Go watch it. It's all everything that I did with my egg fast and how it worked for me and how it works for me when I cheat. So this time I had a totally different game plan. I wanted to put the OMAD diet to the test. So what I stuck to was 1 meal a day, 1 keto meal a day, and I would do intermittent fasting for a minimum of 20 to 24 hours. If I could go longer than that, I would. I would not cheat. I would have plenty of water. I would also have Himalayan pink salt with water, and I would also take magnesium supplements. So this was the game plan. Watch on and see what happens. Hi guys, so this is actually day 2 of my post-holiday cheat month of getting back into ketosis. I actually got back day before night, and yesterday I was just really tired and was literally sleeping all day. So as I said, I gained a total of 5.1 kgs in the past 1 month of cheating and eating everything possible. I know most of it is going to be water weight. So yesterday was day 1. I did a 20-hour fast, and all I had during those 20 hours was a bottle of mineral water mixed with 1 teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt. That was separately, and of course I did drink plenty of normal water through the day. I broke my fast with a little bit of beef curry and a very little bit of dal, which I normally don't have when I'm on my keto diet. Well, today I got onto the scale and I have actually lost 1.6 kgs in 1 day of just fasting and sticking to a keto meal. So yes, obviously that's not fat loss, it is water loss. As you know, when you do eat a lot of carbs and sugars, your body tends to retain a lot of water, and that's exactly what happened. I gained water weight and I lost some of it on the first day of fasting and keto eating. So for day 2, I've already in the middle of a fast. I have completed about 12 hours of fasting. I'm doing the same thing. So after I finish, I'm aiming at 24 hours, but if I cannot do 24 hours, I will definitely do at least 20 hours of fasting, and then I will stick to a keto meal. I will not binge on anything. I will have a very balanced keto meal and plenty of water today. I'm also doing the Himalayan pink salt today as well, just to replenish electrolytes. And one more thing that I forgot to mention, I have started taking magnesium supplements, because I think in the past I've never ever taken any supplements, and I think this is something that I'm trying out. The benefits of magnesium, of course, you can find out are it's a very essential electrolyte, and but I think I need it. So I've started taking magnesium supplements. I will let you know exactly which one I am taking in a bit. Okay, so this is the Himalayan pink salt that I use. I just add 1 teaspoon of this pink salt into this little sipper of water, and I keep sipping on it the entire day. And this is a magnesium supplement that I'm taking, Arlene Barrett. I take 3 of these tablets a day. It doesn't affect fasting. It will not break your fasting, so this is a really good supplement to take. Even if you're not on keto, I think the benefits of magnesium are slowly coming out, and very, very essential. So yes, this is what I'm using. Okay, so day 2 was difficult. I finished a 20-hour fast and I was so hungry. I was so tempted to just cheat, and we went out to the supermarket and I saw all the ready-made foods and the pizza and everything, and I was so tempted, but I did not give in to temptation. I stuck to a keto meal. I had a little bit of beef and a piece of chicken and some mushrooms on the side, and that was my one meal for today. Well, I must say, when you cheat, or when you are a beginner, or you're just doing intermittent fasting after a really long time, don't dive into 20 to 24 hours that quickly. I made that mistake. The first day I didn't feel it as much, but today has been difficult. So don't feel bad if you can't finish that amount of time. Listen to your body, listen to yourself. And if you're really, really hungry, you'd rather eat, but don't cheat. Stick to keto. Stay away from those carbs and those sugars. Another thing that I've noticed is the more carbs you eat, the more you crave those carbs. And I've only been eating a lot of junk for the past 1 month, the most carby food ever, and that has definitely affected my cravings and how much of fasting my body can take. But I'm not giving up. I've begun my next stage of fasting, going into day 3. I'm again going to try to do 20 to 24 hours. I'm going to listen to my body and take a call on that. So let's see how it goes. Drinking a lot of water again. I've taken my magnesium. Other than that, trying to be as busy as I can be. I haven't yet started working out. Okay, so usually when you cheat, the more you work out, the more you burn those glycogen stores, all those carbs and sugars that you've stored in your body. But I've just been so tired after my holiday. As you can see, I'm really, really feeling really lethargic. But I plan to start my workouts from tomorrow. I'm going to start with beginner HIIT workouts from tomorrow. So wish me good luck, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hi guys, so it is day 3 of losing the holiday weight, getting back into ketosis. So I stepped on the scale this morning and I've lost another 1.2 kgs. So that's a total of 2.8 kgs in just 2 days of doing intermittent fasting, 1 meal a day, 1 keto meal a day. So that's a total of 2.8 kgs. I'm ecstatic. I just have a little more to go. Remember, I did put on 5.1 kgs. Day 3, I did a 20-hour fast. Again, I tried to do 24 hours. I was just so hungry. I could not push through. And I broke my fast with some yummy, yummy crabs, which my sister-in-law made. A side of cabbage and a little bit of minced meat. It was a heavy meal, but I was hungry, and it was completely keto friendly and full of lovely healthy fat. So I'm feeling full. I've started my next session of intermittent fasting. Let's see how it goes. I'm not going to push for 24 hours. I will do a minimum of 20 hours and see how that goes for me. So far so good. Staying hydrated again, taking the Himalayan salt and the magnesium as well. I also started my workout today. I did a beginner's HIIT workout from Fitness Blender, and I just can't believe how difficult it was. I used to do the intermediate level of HIIT workouts before I went on holiday, and it's been almost a month since I've done those workouts, and I was just so tired. Just shows what unhealthy eating and all that carb and sugar can do to your fitness levels. So anyways, I've started my fast. I will get back tomorrow on my progress. See you tomorrow. Hi guys, so it is day 5 of my post-vacation weight loss, getting back to keto journey. So I'm gonna first give you a brief of what happened yesterday, which is day 4. I actually did a 24-hour fast, and I broke it with 3 small size minced cutlets with some cheese at the side. I was actually feeling extremely lazy yesterday, and I was quite busy with my little one, who's 1 year 2 months old, and I didn't really get time to do any meal prep or to cook any healthy food, so I just had 3 pieces of cutlet with some cheese on the side. I'm back to fasting today. Again, I'm going to do about 20 hours. I think I've been pushing the fasting a little too much, and today I have made some very keto friendly beef stir fry with mushrooms and bell peppers, and I'm gonna have that with zucchini noodles. I've made them like flat noodles because I really miss the pad thai back in Phuket. So let's hope it tastes as good as it was over there. As far as the weight loss is gone, of course it has slowed down. Initially you will always lose a lot. Don't be disheartened if you stop losing as much, but nevertheless you will be losing. So in the past 2 days I've lost just about 300 grams, which is still progress, which means I am down a total of 3.1 kgs. Remember, I've put on 5.1, so I just have 2 kgs to go, and I put on 5.1 kgs over a period of 1 month, and it has just been about 5 days. I mean, it is 5 days since I started this journey getting back to keto, and I've already lost 3.1. Wow. Yeah, so I'm gonna keep at it, and I will see you tomorrow. Hi guys, so it is the end of week 2. Actually, today is week 2, day 1. Since I've gotten back to keto after the holiday, putting on all that weight, which is 5.1 kgs. I do have a confession. Last week I did stick to 1 meal a day, and most of my meals were keto, but for 2 days I actually had cheat meals. I had rice, but I stuck to 1 meal a day. I did not beat myself up. I just jumped back to keto, did a little extra fasting after the cheat meal, and I stepped on the scale today, and my total weight loss is 5.3 kgs in total since I've started. So I've not only lost my holiday weight, I've also lost a little extra, and I plan to continue with the 1 meal a day, and I'm gonna stick to keto. If I'm not able to do 1 meal a day for a while, or if I want to take a break, I'm just gonna do the regular intermittent fasting of 16 hours of fasting and 8 hours of eating, and just fit in 2 meals in there. But yes, as much as possible I'm going to stick to 1 meal a day, because I see that it is very effective, and even with a little bit of cheating here and there, it helps me keep that weight off. Okay, the moral of the story: don't beat yourself up after cheating. Just get back to keto, get back to intermittent fasting, and don't make it a habit to cheat. That's all I can say. So there you go. I lost all the holiday weight and much more, and I am still losing weight. The OMAD Keto diet does work. So especially if you're on a plateau, you're stuck on a weight loss plateau, this is the best thing to do. If eggs are not your thing and the egg fast is difficult for you, this is a great way to lose that extra weight. So I hope you liked my video, share it, and please do subscribe to my channel for a lot more. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.